Pretty soon it's gonna be the new year and you're gonna be like,
please get off. You're hurting me.
it's understandable, but it's time to get back on the horse. Party's over. You wanna feel good about yourself and what you eat? Asian stir fry. Hey friends, my name is George Gianaris. I'm a chef of 36 years, and if you're here, it's because you like to eat healthy, save money, and cook like a pro. I'm stripping down Asian cuisine to its bare roots. No special utensils, no hot woks. Did he just say he's not gonna use a wok? Yes, I did. This is all about fast, simple, and delicious. Let's begin. Two holy trinities combined, the French Holy Trinity and the awarehousechef Holy Trinity. Play around with the textures. Slice your onions into wedges, your celery into diagonals, and your carrots into thick rectangles about 1/4 inch thick or 6 millimeters. Add whatever other vegetables you like. Go for whatever organic veggies are in season or on sale. Drizzle in a few tablespoons of avocado oil and get it up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Let's get those carrots and celery in there first because they take the longest to soften. The goal here is to wilt the veggies. Sear them a bit, but don't go for brown. If the oil looks a little light, add some more and give the pan a chance to come back up to temp. I'm using organic chicken thigh, but you can make this dish with shrimp, beef, scallops, really whatever protein you want, or no meat at all, so it makes an excellent vegan dish. So why am I staying away from a wok? Well, number one, the average home kitchen doesn't have a good enough heat source to do a wok stir fry justice. Number two, traditional woks, they're thin, and that's intentional. You want to pull the moisture out of the items you're stir frying and have that moisture evaporate quickly, otherwise whatever you're sauteing is gonna get soggy. But if it gets too hot, you want it to cool quickly by pulling it off the heat, and that's hard to do on a home stove. Number three, a proper wok is made of carbon steel, so it requires a bit more attention. If you don't use your wok for a while, it's gonna rust, and you'll have to season it all over again. This is one ingredient, organic coconut cream. That's it, and you add it once your chicken is cooked. I keep pickled ginger in my fridge, and it'll last in the fridge for at least 6 months. It's quick to make, and as of recent, I don't even peel the ginger. Link to the recipe will be made available at the end of this video. This is the kind of recipe you wing, but if you want a printed PDF of it, it's on my website. And while you're there, please sign up for my free email blast. Once a week, I'll let you know when my video is released and also give you a little insider info, maybe even a freebie. Now, I know that some of you guys like to add heat to your food, some of you guys don't. I know that when I'm making this dish for my mom, even if I reach for something slightly spicy, she will call me out on it. But I like to add these red chili peppers to this dish. You can season this with a little salt or some organic chicken base, or both. Add about a tablespoon or 15 milliliters of fresh organic lemon juice. You can serve this over quinoa, rice, noodles, whatever. You can even add more broth and serve it as a soup. So before I give this a taste, I'd like to ask you a favor. If you like this video, hit that like button. And also, if you can, just click on that notification bell next to the subscribe button. This way you'll know when I release a video every week. First thing you taste is the sweetness of the coconut. It marries so perfectly with the star anise. The chicken's perfectly cooked. That lemon gives it a really nice pop. It's dairy-free. You can probably make this with tofu if you're a vegan. Eliminate the chicken base, not necessary. I like the way it tastes in this. But overall, this is just a spectacular, easy dish. Very inexpensive. All organic ingredients, $5 per person. I mean, it's just a great dish. I really appreciate you. Hope you have a healthy and happy and prosperous 2022. Cheers.